Zach, thank you. New tonight, Bexar County deputies have arrested the man seen on a doorbell camera trying to break into a home on the city's far northwest side. 21-year-old Sebastian Beltran was arrested this afternoon after police made contact with him last night. Beltran gave an interview with investigators and was later arrested. This happened Saturday around 4:30 in the afternoon at a home on Culebra and Galm Road. According to deputies, Beltran approached the front door and knocked. When no one responded, that's when he tried to force his way in. Someone inside the home saw what was happening and started screaming, which deputies say made him run away. In the clip, the suspect looks like he's talking with someone else. Deputies are still looking for that other suspect in this case. The Bexar County Sheriff's Office is urging you to contact them at 210-335-6000.